Hello guys, I hope you all will be fine and doing good. Today our topic is so am I and neither am I. But before moving on to the topic, please do subscribe my channel for further videos. So let's discuss one by one. The first one is so am I. Where we use so. We use so after a positive statement. The formula is so plus an auxiliary verb plus the subject. We know that what are auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are like is, are, am, was, were, have and has, etc. Here example is I'm happy. Now I'm happy can be explained in four ways whenever we want to say this, that I'm happy. Like I can say I'm happy too, I'm happy as well, I'm also happy. And the last one with the technique, the sentence can also be said like so am I. And second example is they are wrestlers, so are we. Okay, now we can't after so we are to use auxiliary verb, don't use directly subject like we, like the sentence here is so am I, so are we. So after so we have used auxiliary verb. Okay, the second one is neither. We use neither after a negative statement. The formula is neither plus an auxiliary verb plus the subject. For example, this phone does not work. Now here, neither does this one. Neither, as we know that I have already told you, it is used for negative statement. Where there is negative statement, there we use neither. The second one is George is not here tonight. Neither is John. So these are two examples of neither. Okay, but instead of neither we can also use nor. For example, this phone does not work. I can also say the same like nor does this one. George is not here tonight, nor is John. So these we can say by this way too. I hope you have gotten today's lesson. Please do subscribe my channel for further videos. Take care.